are exosome stem cell therapy?
That's a very good question. Exosomes are found in or are produced by many cells, but in particular, the exosomes that we use for treatment are derived directly from stem cells themselves. And in fact, when we treat patients with stem cells, part of the reason why the treatment is successful is the fact that the stem cells are producing exosomes themselves to to regulate and to remodulate the environment of the cells themselves. I think the question you've asked is quite a deep question. Is it the chicken or the egg kind of thing? Without exosomes, there wouldn't be effective stem cell therapy, because part of the reason why stem cell therapy is so effective is the fact that they produce exosomes themselves. So, is exosome stem cell therapy? Technically not, because it's not actually a cellular therapy. It's a therapy based on products of the cell itself.
So maybe for our viewers, explain a little bit what are exosomes?
Think of it this way: exosomes are these tiny, 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 nano-sized extracellular vesicles. In other words, think of them like beach balls, but tiny, tiny beach balls. And within each beach ball, it contains proteins, lipids, microRNAs. All of these are finely tuned to modulate the surrounding behavior of the recipient cells around them. So they're like a small people with big dictaphones shouting, "Go left, go right, you die, you live." You start producing this type of protein, you downregulate your histamine production. So stem cells themselves are aircraft carriers, and exosomes are the fighter jets. So in cases like this, when we want to treat patients in a setting where it's not physically viable for them to come, for example, travel abroad to receive live mesenchymal stem cells. One way of providing treatment for patients like this is to provide them with the exosomes themselves, because exosomes are a lot more shelf stable, so to speak. So they retain their potency, they retain their cellular activity, even when stored under normal conditions. For example, we can even turn exosomes into a special powdered form or dried form. It's called lyophilized, where we take the the